Open any app on your phone and scan the QR code. Scan the QR code to download the app application ICSE. Open ICSE and click on Sign Up. Fill in the registration information to complete the registration. Enter your registered account and click on Login. Connect to the power source.
Wait
for self-check and audible prompts.
According to the instruction.
Click on the加 symbol above. Click on Wi-Fi camera. Click on Add mobile Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi switch and select the added Wi-Fi network. Go back to ICSE and enter the password. Follow the instructions for code operation 25到35厘米m. The prompt Connect router successfully indicates successful connection. Set up one password protected device. Set the device name. Set the recording mode. Install the fixed bracket. Mount the camera onto the fixed bracket. Power on to start using it. Install solar panel and mounting bracket. To complete the installation, connect the device and charging panel using USB-C. IP66 waterproof, rainproof, lightning-proof, freeze-proof. Detect alarms and voice notifications to watch out for steps. Customize detection zones. PTZ horizontal rotation of 340度 and vertical rotation of 90度. Alexa, show me the yard camera. Night vision color effect. Testing during the day. Someone entered and the automatic switch turned on the white light while also sending an alarm notification, frightening away the thief.